is an audiobook of Interchange English, Grammar and Composition of Class 9. Section A, Chapter 1, Articles, page number 2. Read the following sentences. It is a watch. She ate an apple. The Ramayana is a holy book. The words a or an and the are articles in English. Articles are a subclass of determiners which determine or specify the nouns that follow. A or an is called the indefinite article. The is called the definite article. The indefinite article, a or an. The indefinite article a or an is used before singular countable nouns. We use before a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound and an before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. The use of a or an depends on the sound that begins the next word. First point, a plus singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. A car, a bike, a user, a university, a union, a European, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man, a useful book, etc. Second point, an plus singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. An elephant, an egg, an idiot, an hour, an MA, an LLB, an SDO, etc. We use a or an, point number A, with singular countable nouns when we want to say what somebody or something is or what someone's job is. For example, it is a horse. He is a doctor. She is an actor. Point number B, with singular countable nouns when we talk about them in general. Example, I want to buy a dress. In the bracket there is any dress. Number C, before Mr. or Mrs. or Miss or MS, Miss, plus surname when we refer to an unknown person. Mr. Karki called you this morning. A person that we don't know. D, to mean per. Example, he works 6 days a week. E, in certain phrases of price, speed, etc. They cost 50 rupees a kilo. He drives at 50 kilometers an hour. F, in exclamations before a countable noun. What a nice fellow you are. What a pity. Such a long queue. What a pretty girl. G, in certain expressions of time and before certain numbers. A lot of, a couple of, a pair of, a large number of, a dozen, 100, etc. We don't use a or an, point number A, with uncountable or plural nouns. We can use some instead. For example, some ghee, some books. Number B, in front of an adjective when there is no noun after it. But when there is a noun after the adjective, we use a for an adjective which begins with a consonant sound and an for an adjective which begins with a vowel sound. For example, a broken egg, an unusual problem. It is a house. It is beautiful. It is a beautiful house. The definite article, the. We use the in the following. A, before singular, plural, countable or uncountable noun or noun phrase when we have already referred to the thing very recently. Can you give me the book over there? Call the boy sitting in the corner. This is the book I bought yesterday. I saw a man and a woman in market. The man was tall, but the woman was short. B. When it is a unique thing or things, or there can be no doubt which we are talking about. The moon, the sun, the sky, the earth, the world, the equator, etc. Rena is the only women pilot I know. C. With superlatives. The biggest country, the most expensive book, etc. D. With ordinal numbers. The first, the third, the second floor, etc. But he came third in the race. E. Before a singular noun meant to represent a whole class. The dog is a faithful animal. The cow is a useful animal, but man is mortal. F. When someone or something is known to both the speaker and the hearer. She is in the kitchen. Please open the door. They went to the park. G. With parts of the day to say when something happens. In the afternoon, in the morning, in the evening, etc. H. When we use an adjective to refer to the people of a country. The French, the English, the Japanese, etc. I. With words cinema, coast, country, countryside, ground, jungle, radio, sea, seaside, theater, weather, library, station, etc. I went to the cinema. I listened to the radio. We usually say television without the. Example, I'm watching TV. But turn off the television. J. Before the names of newspapers, hotels, and galleries. The Kantipur, the Everest Hotel, the National Gallery, etc. Number K. Before the names of famous building. The Singadarbar, the Taj Mahal, the Victoria Memorial, etc. L. Before historical references or events. The Dark Ages, the Middle Ages, the French Revolution, the Renaissance, etc. The spelling of Renaissance is Renaissance. M. Before the names of musical instruments when one plays it. I can play the guitar. She can play the flute, but she has a flute. Note: the is not applicable when play on is a group verb. He plays on guitar. N. Before names of N. Before names of sacred books. The Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, etc. Note: if a book is called after its author, the article is not used. Valmiki's Ramayana, Homer's Iliad, etc. Spelling of Iliad is Iliad. O. Before an adjective to represent a whole class of persons. The poor are not always dishonest. Here in the bracket there is poor people. The rich are not always happy. In the bracket, rich people. P. Before comparatives as adverbs. The sooner, the better. The more, the merrier. Q. With countries whose names include words like kingdom, states, or republic. The United Kingdom, the United States, the People's Republic of China, etc. R. With countries which have plural nouns as their names. The Netherlands, the Philippines, etc. S. With the names of mountain ranges, groups of islands, rivers, seas, oceans, canals, deserts, gulfs, ships, and directions. Names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, etc. Names of groups of islands, the West Indies, the Andaman, etc. Names of rivers: the Koshi, the Bagmati, the Nile, the Amazon, etc. Names of seas: the Red Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, etc. Spelling of Mediterranean is Mediterranean. Names of oceans: the Atlantic, the Pacific, the Indian, etc. Names of canals: the Suez Canal, Suez. Pardon me if my pronunciation is not correct. The Panama Canal, etc. Names of deserts: the Sahara, the Gobi, the Thar, etc. Thar. Names of gulfs: the Bay of Bengal, the Persian Gulf, etc. Names of ships: the Titanic, the Mary Celeste, Celeste, the Santa Maria, etc. Names of directions: the south, the north, etc. Note: the is not used before the names of single mountains or single islands. For example, Mount Everest, Mount Abu, Java, Ceylon, Ceylon, etc. Zero article. Omission of the articles. No article is used. A. Before proper, material and abstract nouns used in a general sense. Kathmandu, Nepal, Ravi, Nita, gold, rice, honesty, virtue, etc. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. Not the Kathmandu is. Gold is a precious metal. Honesty is the best policy. But we say the United States, the United Arab Emirates, etc. B. Before a common noun used in its commonest sense. Man is mortal. C. Before generalization with plural or uncountable nouns. Apples are good for you. Iron is a useful metal. D. Before the names of continents, countries, cities, towns, days, months, languages, some diseases, mountains, lakes, islands, etc. Asia, Nepal, Kathmandu, Pokhara, January, physics, English, Sunday, Rara Lake, Mount Everest, Mount Abu, Ceylon, Ceylon, Java, etc. December is a cold month. English is spoken all over the world. E. Before sports, colors, academics, subjects, festivals, etc. He likes to play baseball. I like white. I like to study English. I will come at Tihar. F. Before the names of relatives. Father has gone out. Aunt wants you to see her. Mother is the symbol of love, but the father in him shed bitter tears of grief. G. After a noun in a possessive case or a possessive adjective. The boy's notebook is on the table. This is my red t-shirt. H. Before the names of meals taken regularly. Dinner is ready. We have lunch at usual time. But he gave us a good breakfast. The dinner you gave was marvelous. I. Before the nouns school, college, hospital, temple, church, market, prison, etc., denoting the primary purpose of the building or place. They go to school by bus. The injured man was taken to hospital. The murderer was sent to prison. But when these places are visited or used for any other purpose, the is used. I went to the school to see the principal. She went to the hospital to meet her sister. J. In certain phrases made up of preposition plus noun. On foot, at home, in debt, in hand, at noon, in jest, at worst, etc. He is in debt, not he is in the debt. She was at home. K. In certain phrases consisting of a transitive verb and its object. Give ear, set sail, take heart, send word, catch fire, take offense, leave home, etc. He took offense at my words. She left home in the morning. Some special points. Compare the pairs of sentences given below. I have a black and white cow. In the bracket, only one cow. I have a black and a white cow. In the bracket is two cows. Show what you know. This is the exercise. Number A. Use a or an before the following words or phrases. 1. Uncle. 2. Umpire. 3. Union. 4. BA. 5. Young boy. 6. Only child. 7. Exam. 8. UN agency. 9. Architect. 10. Hospital. 11. Hurdle. 12. Up-to-date method. 13. Irritant. 14. Eyewitness. 15. EWE. EWE. 16. Eurocrat. EUROCRAT. 17. One-day match. 18. Operation. 19. African. 20. One-man commission. B. Use the correct article a, an, or the where necessary. 1. Can you see? Fill in the blanks. Sun when it is cloudy. 2. Yesterday I saw, fill in the blank, beautiful bluebird at the park. 3. He is wearing a hat. Full stop. Fill in the blanks. Hat is brown. 4. What is, fill in the blanks, correct answer, 10 or 12. 5. Nepal is, fill in the blanks, country, full stop. The country is in Asia. 6. I love to eat, fill in the blanks, apple, full stop. I usually eat an apple every day. 7. Where did you put, fill in the blanks, ticket that I gave you yesterday. 8. I'll repeat. 8 number. A is, fill in the blanks, first letter of the English alphabet. 9. What is, fill in the blanks, meaning of this word? Question mark. Do you have a dictionary? Question mark. 10. He has to go to a very important meeting on, fill in the blanks, Friday. 11. Robin was, fill in the blanks, only student to pass the exam. 12. We have, fill in the blanks, great time on our holiday. 13. I drank, fill in the blanks, cup of tea, but the tea was cold. 14. For breakfast I usually have, fill in the blanks, egg, toast and tea. 15. I saw, fill in the blanks, old man walking in the park. 16. Who is, fill in the blanks, President of India. 17. I saw, fill in the blanks, very bright star in the sky. 18. What is, fill in the blank, capital city of China. 19. When can you usually see, fill in the blanks, moon, comma, in the morning or at night. 20. I forgot to bring my pen. Do you have, fill in the blank, pen I could borrow? C. Write a, an, or the where necessary. Number 1. Please return me, fill in the blank, novel I gave you last week. Number 2. Fill in the blank, Koshi flows into, fill in the blank, Bay of Bengal. 3. He reads, fill in the blank, Kathmandu Post every day. 4. Ask guest to sit in, fill in the blank, drawing room. 5. A shopkeeper showed them, fill in the blank, good toy. 6. Mars is not, fill in the blank, biggest planet. 7. fill in the blank, Himalayas lie to, fill in the blank, north of Nepal. 8. He studies in, fill in the blank, university. 9. He bought, fill in the blank, half dozen oranges. 10. I met, fill in the blank, European in, fill in the blank, market yesterday. 11. Please give me, fill in the blank, book to read. 12. Fill in the blank, lady he met at, fill in the blank, party is, fill in the blank, assistant manager in, fill in the blank, multinational company. 13. What, fill in the blank, beautiful scene. 14. We met, fill in the blank, MLA in, fill in the blank, party yesterday. 15. Fill in the blank, needy should be helped by, fill in the blank, rich. 16. I like, fill in the blank, red. 17. She is suffering from, fill in the blank, fever. 18. He is, fill in the blank, principal of our school. 19. Bring, fill in the blank, chair for our guest. 20. Tell them not to make, fill in the blank, noise in, fill in the blank, class. D. Fill in a, an, or the where necessary. Dear Somalika, comma, how are you? I want to tell you about, fill in the blank, trip I took to, fill in the blank, Kathmandu yesterday with my family. We went to, fill in the blank, bus stop very early in, fill in the blank, morning and got on, fill in the blank, first bus which was going to Kathmandu. Full stop. Fill in the blank, journey was pleasant. Kathmandu is, fill in the blank, fantastic city. We visited, fill in the blank, Tamil, which is, fill in the blank, area full of lovely shops. I bought, fill in the blank, old-fashioned watch, which was very expensive. We also saw, fill in the blank, Narayanhiti Palace Museum. I bought you, fill in the blank, present too. So I'll give it to you, fill in the blank, next time we meet. I hope you had, fill in the blank, enjoyable holiday in Pokhara. Love, comma, Janissa. E. Insert the correct article. Number 1. He is honorable person. 2. Please give me apple. 3. It is not good chair. 4. He was man who met me yesterday. 5. Sun rises in east. 6. I have read first chapter of this book. 7. She is beautiful girl and has good nature. 8. Honesty is best policy. 9. It is highest mountain in world. 10. Please give me $1 note. 11. This is shirt I bought yesterday. 12. Elephant is a big animal. 13. He was struck on head. 14. This is same book. 15. I met boy in the park. F. Read and complete the letter with the correct article where necessary. Dear Binod, comma, hi, comma, I'm Alex. I live in, fill in the blank, UK. Do you have, fill in the blank, dog? I have, fill in the blank, dog, full stop. It's smart and cute. For lunch, I eat, fill in the blank, pizza, and fill in the blank, banana. How about you? I jog in, fill in the blank, morning. I play, fill in the blank, guitar in, fill in the blank, evening. I go to, fill in the blank, office and take my, fill in the blank, lunch there. I sometimes go to, fill in the blank, church to be fresh. I have heard you go to, fill in the blank, temple to worship. And you have, fill in the blank, Ramayan in your house. I have, fill in the blank, Bible. Now it's time to go, fill in the blank, bed. Goodbye. Yours, comma, Alex. G. Complete the following exercise with a, an, or the where necessary. Once upon, fill in the blank, time, comma, there was, fill in the blank, green and beautiful planet. It was fill in the blank third planet out from fill in the blank yellowish sun in fill in the blank stellar system in fill in the blank relatively remote part of fill in the blank galaxy. The members of fill in the blank galactic council knew that fill in the blank planet was between 4 and 5 billion years old, but no one was sure exactly how long life had existed there. Fill in the blank galactic council had been watching green, as they call it, for millennia. It was fill in the blank responsibility of fill in the blank council to observe and monitor all planets that harbored life in fill in the blank effort to predict which ones might destroy themselves. Thus, fill in the blank council could intervene if it had to. Each planet had its own watcher, and Planet Green's was Ambassador Gorkon, Gorkon. His job was to visit Green and investigate thoroughly. On this occasion, Gorkon was making his report to Mr. Zhao, XAU, fill in the blank president of fill in the blank Galactic Council. H. Complete the poem by using a or an in the spaces below. See what I saw, comma, hear what I heard, by Pamela Mordecai. I saw fill in the blank ostrich, comma, fill in the blank eel and fill in the blank owl, comma. And I also heard fill in the blank tiger growl, full stop. I saw fill in the blank ibis, IBIS, and fill in the blank orangutan. And I heard fill in the blank bird and fill in the blank song that it sang. I saw fill in the blank elephant and fill in the blank egret too, comma. And I heard fill in the blank rooster go cock-a-doodle-doo. Source: New Caribbean Junior English, an integrated approach. I. Complete the description using a, an, or the wherever necessary. Shanghai is fill in the blank surprising in many ways. It is fill in the blank amazing and vibrant city. You will find fill in the blank tallest buildings of fill in the blank world, modern shopping malls, and beautiful old temples. Believe it or not, fill in the blank skyscraper jungle you see is less than 30 years old. It's worth visiting this spot by both day and by night. The darker it gets, comma, fill in the blank, more colorful it will be. Whenever someone comes to visit Shanghai, I would always recommend him or her to visit fill in the blank Oriental Pearl TV Tower, because there is nothing worthy of boasting in Shanghai other than fill in the blank height of its concrete jungle. Fill in the blank Oriental Pearl Tower can be found on pretty much every Shanghai postcard. At 468 meter, which is 1,535 feet tall, it's fill in the blank third highest TV tower in fill in the blank world. Its interesting design makes it fill in the blank integral part of the famous Shanghai skyline, and fill in the blank trip to fill in the blank top affords fabulous views. J. Circle the correct article. 1. I watched a or the boy helping an or the old man. 2 number. A/the lion is a/the king of forest. Here slash means there's 2 options and you have to select one. You have to select the correct article for that sentence. Okay. 3. And/the apple a/the day keeps us healthy. 4. A/the book you want is not in a/the library. 5. A/the earth is bigger than a/the moon. 6. Is there anybody in a/the house? 7. He wants to buy a/the new car. 8. How many apples are there in a/the basket? 9. He is a/the most corrupt politician. 10. A/nothing cross sign is written here. A/cross sign. Mother is a/the symbol of love. 11. What a/the hot day? 12. We eat 3 times a/the day. 12. Kalidas is a/the Shakespeare of India. 14. And/the English are a disciplined people. 15. We don't know who invented the/a wheel. K. Use a, an, or the where necessary. 1. I saw fill in the blank girl there, full stop. Fill in the blank girl was reading. 2. Fill in the blank sky is blue. 3. Fill in the blank birds are singing. 4. She's gone to fill in the blank park. 5. Rajesh is fill in the blank player in our team. 6. There is fill in the blank letter for him. 7. This is fill in the blank oldest house in our village. 8. I like fill in the blank furniture in my drawing room. 9. Dad is in fill in the blank kitchen. 10. This was fill in the blank cheapest bag I could find there. Now here we have on page number 12, we have a grammar quiz where you have to write your name and date. And here it goes. Choose and tick the best answer to test your knowledge of articles. 1. Hari is playing fill in the blank football in his room, and the options are a, an, the, or nothing. 2. She is fill in the blank teacher who teaches us English. Options are a, and, the, nothing. Now the options for everything is the same, a, and, the, nothing. So I'll just read the question or the sentence. 3. Mr. Rai was fill in the blank unwanted fellow in our locality. So you have to choose a, and, the, or nothing. 4. Fill in the blank injured passengers of this bus rushed to hospital. 5. I hate fill in the blank telephone. 6. Fill in the blank poems are a good source of inspiration. 7. Who invented fill in the blank radio? 8. Rice sells at rupees 40 fill in the blank kilo. 9. He is fill in the blank MP. 10. That could be fill in the blank useful information. 11. He is not fill in the blank honorable man. 12. Fill in the blank blind are unfortunate to me. 13. I went to fill in the blank church to observe its architecture. 14. He is fill in the blank European. 15. Fill in the blank water in the glass is very dirty. 16. Please buy me fill in the blank exercise book. 17. Nepal is an independent country since fill in the blank half century ago. 18. They made him fill in the blank president. So here you need to get teacher's signature and your score from your teacher. Score 10 or less means you need to study more. Score is 12 to 15, then you're good. If the score is 16 to 18, it's excellent. This is the end of section 1, chapter 1 in page number 12. But before ending, I'd like to just highlight the point number 12, where it's written blinds are unfortunate to me, which is not true. Everyone is very important and fortunate in our own way. Just wanted to highlight that. Okay, see you in the next episode. Bye.